All right, folks, number 26. So if you've been watching these videos, number 25 was pretty hard, but made very easy by picking real numbers. Number 26 looks to be easy, but you can just respect it based on where it's located on the test. There's no way this is an easy question. If it is easy, you could say, well, it's certainly going to be easy to get wrong as well. The word must is here, so that means we're going to try out a few different values. So, I don't know, let's try, let's make y equal 10. Then negative 10 is less than x, which is less than 10. So x could be a few values here. X could be equal to negative 9, x could be equal to positive 9, x could be equal to 0. So, let's see what things we can cross off right away. The absolute value of x is less than or is less than y. Well, looks like it for now. All of those absolute values would be 9 or 0 is less than. So Roman numeral 1 is cool for now. Roman numeral 2 says x is bigger than 0. I've proven that wrong with this point. So Roman numeral 2 is out. Now, if you look at your answer choices, that means A, B, C, D. It means B and D are both out. So now we don't even care about Roman numeral 1. It's right in every case. I should have noticed that right away. The only thing is Roman numeral 3 correct as well. Roman numeral 3 says y is greater than 0. Well, I think that has to be true. I'll show you why. So I could try to pick some other stuff. I would try to make y less than 0. Like, what if y is negative 5? Well, then negative 5, whatever is the case for x, that's not going to work, because that's saying that positive 5 is ultimately less than negative 5. Roman numeral 3 is definitely true, so it's answer choice C. So I'm going to just go through that one more time to be absolutely clear what I just did. I picked a random number for y. I picked 10. So negative 10, x, positive 10. Then I said, what values could go in here? Well, I could put negative 9, I could put 0, I could put positive 9. Based on that alone, I got rid of Roman numeral 2. So 1, 2, 3, I got rid of 2. I went to my answer choices. I said, which ones include Roman numeral 2? I know it's out. B and D. I looked at what remains. The only difference between A and C was Roman numeral 3. Roman numeral 1 was already fine, so I didn't even care about this anymore. I'm just focused on this part. Could y be greater than 0? Or could y be less than 0? Must it be true that y is greater than 0? Said the same thing, two different ways. Well, if y is smaller than 0, so try y equals some other number, like y equals, I chose negative 5, try negative 7. If y is negative 7, you would have negative 7, x in between, and then negative 7. There's just nothing that works there. Positive 7 is never smaller than negative 7. Roman numeral 3 must be true. Y is greater than 0, unless y was 0, but once again, that's not going to work, because you can't have 0 is less than x, which is less than 0. Right? X cannot be bigger than 0 and smaller than 0. So Roman numeral 3 has to be true. 1 and 3 have to be true. Answer choice C. So explain it two ways over, because I know it looks a little weird when we do it this way, but this is the best way to do it. You'll be sure to get it right as long as you focus on that word must and try to prove the answer choice is wrong. So hopefully that's helpful.